What you are going to learn today? Alphabets. Alphabets. Now we will see what is this? This is letter A, the first letter. What is A for? Apple. A for aeroplane. See, this is capital A. This is small a. Now we will start with the next letter. This is letter B. You all must be knowing this. See, this is capital B. This is small b. B for ball. B for balloon. Now we will come to the next letter. Which letter is this? This is C. This is capital C. This is small c. C for cow. C for cat. Okay. Now we will come to the next letter. Letter D. This is capital D. This is small d. D for dog and D for doll. Now we'll come to the next alphabet. E. This is capital E and this is small e. This is E for elephant and E for egg. Now we will come to the next alphabet. F. This is capital F and this is small f. F for fan. F for fish. Now we will come to the next alphabet. G. This is capital G and this is small g. G for girl and G for goat. Now H. H for, this is capital H and this is small h. H for house. H for hat. Now we'll come to the next. This is I. See? This is, so see, how can you see this? This is capital I and this is small I. I know you love to eat that. What comes from this? I for ice cream and I for ink. Now this is J. J for joker. J for jug. See this? How you have to write this? This is capital J and this is small j. Now we'll come to K. Which letter is this? K. This is capital K and this is small k. What comes from K? K for king and K for kangaroo. Now this is letter L. L, capital L and small l. From L what comes? Lion. L for lion. L for light. Okay. Now we'll come to M. What is this? Letter M. This is capital M and this is small m. What comes from M? I know you love to eat that. Guess. M for mango and M for mouse. Now we'll come to the next letter. This is letter N. This is capital N and this is small n. See what comes from N? N for nose and N for nest. Now we come to the letter O. See, it's circle, it is round in shape. This is capital O and this is small o. What comes from O? O for orange and O for owl. Now we'll go to the next letter. Letter P. P, this is capital P and this is small p. What comes from letter P? P for peacock and P for parrot. Okay. Now which letter is this? This is Q. See, this is capital Q and this is small q. What comes from Q? Q for queen and Q for quill. Now we'll go to the next letter. This is letter R. R, this is capital R and this is small r. What comes from R? R for rose and R for rabbit. Now we'll go to the next letter. This is letter S. This is small, this is capital S and this is small s. What comes from this? S for sun and S for strawberry. You all must be loving to eat that. Now we'll go to the next letter. This is letter T. This is capital T and this is small t. What comes from letter T? T for tiger and T for table. Now we'll go to the next letter. See which letter it is. This is letter U. This is capital U and this is small u. What comes from U? U for umbrella and U for uncle. Okay. Now we'll go to the next letter. Which letter is this? This is capital V and this is small v. What comes from letter V? V for van and V for vase. Okay. Now we'll go to the next letter. This is W. This is capital W and this is small w. What comes from the letter W? W for watermelon and W for watch. Now we'll go to the next letter. This is X. This is capital X and this is small x. What comes from the letter X? Xmas tree and xylophone. Now we'll continue with the letter Y. This is letter capital Y and this is letter small y. What comes from the Y? Y for yak and Y for yo-yo. Now we'll go to the next letter. This is the last letter of the alphabet. This is Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. What comes from the Z? Z for zebra and Z for zip. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to revise all these alphabets daily. Okay, and send me the videos by doing this, by practicing this. Okay, thank you.
Shanti Juniors.